A dog just stole a fire truck in the small town of 6-7, and people woke up to the sound of a horn blaring down the street. A ring camera caught the moment a golden dog jumped into an empty fire truck and pressed on the horn over and over like it was calling for backup. At first, people thought it was chaos, but then something strange showed up on another ring camera just a few blocks away. Smoke was coming out of a house where a baby was trapped inside. Neighbors ran out thinking the sound of the horn meant help was coming. Within minutes, firefighters rushed to the scene following the steady horn that never stopped. They broke down the door and rescued the baby just before the flames filled the room. When everyone looked back, they saw the dog still sitting in the driver's seat with its paw resting on the horn. The fire chief said the loud horn was the reason they got there so fast, and in 6-7, even the dogs sound the alarm.